So what do you think you're looking at here? A beautiful hub table? Yes, but also it's got hidden induction with 3 possible places for 3 different inductions with 3 different temperatures. So I'll show you how it works. Down here's the panel. Each of the 3 sections has their own power button. I turned it on. Uh-oh, it says no trivet. Here's my trivet. Here's another cool feature. It thinks that it knows exactly where I put it. So as I get close, it's going to count to 4. I know it's right because it's on 4. So now it's ready. There are different temperatures here on the gauge. Right now, it's on high. Uh-oh, no pan. So I take the induction pan, I put it on. Now it knows. It stopped saying that. It's on high. So now we have hidden induction on a hub for any 3 items you need. When you're done, take it off, remove the trivets, and now you have a beautiful table for the next day. These tops are stone, and they come in a variety of colors. This is the light color. So build it however you want, use it however you want. Hidden induction.